Hello friends, my name is Pankaj Sharma and welcome to my channel Dear Life. So my request to you, if you did not subscribe my channel, I would please subscribe to my channel, share it with others and put your comments. So today I'll be going to share with you something very special. And what is special today? The special thing is the phase in which we all are going through is the COVID phase, lockdown, quarantine, and we are in our homes. And the important thing here, we are afraid of corona, but at the same time, there is an opportunity in the adversity. And what is the opportunity? This is the opportunity for many people to invest in the market because market is at the lowest. Next important thing, we are aware about the kind of deaths which are happening, but at the same time, if you just see, the 50 to 60% cases are the cases those who are recovering, and these are the people those who are coming out from the hospital and going healthy at their homes. So today my request to you, don't afraid of corona. The important thing is, rather than fearing from corona, let's fight against corona. So whatever the regulations are there, whatever the things are there which we need to take care, please take care. So today I'll be going to share with you something very interesting. And this is what I learned from Les Brown, who is a great motivational speaker. What Les Brown said, and I remember one of the story he shared once upon a time in one of the video. He shared that there was a person who was an employee of one company, of an organization. He was, every time he is going to his office from the home, and whenever he is going to office from his home and he is coming back from the office to the home, there was a dog, bulldog, who always used to chase this person, this employee. So whenever he is coming back, he always chased, and there was a fear in the mind of this person, of fear of this dog, that this dog may come and bite me. One fine day, if this was keep on happening for longer period of time, one fine day, this person who was an employee of a company has decided to face the fear. Now my request to you, please keep this word, keep this phrase in the mind, face the fear. So fear is what? The false illusion appearing real, and fear is exactly not there if you just face the fear. So what happened? This person has decided to face the fear of this bulldog, and he has kept one boulder stone in his bag. While he was coming back from the office to home, one fine day he saw this dog was again standing over there and chasing him. He has decided to today face the fear. The moment he took out this boulder stone to throw on the head of this dog, he saw this dog started barking and there was no teeth. So my request to you, when he saw there is no teeth, he just thrown away this stone, and he was just thinking that what I was going to do. This dog is not at all harmful for me. So how many times this situation comes to us, we also fear for the people. We also fear from the situation. We also fear maybe for the COVID situation. We also fear for the financial problems. So rather than fearing from the situations, persons, people, circumstances and events, let's take this oath to face the fear. My request to you, face the fear of corona and the COVID at this time. Wish you all the best. I would like to see you in my next story. Thank you so much for watching.